Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So as you guys know that we have started working on Odoo 16, so we have started to make a course on Odoo 16 technical development. So we are going to start from scratch for those who are new to Odoo and want to pursue their career in Odoo. So your first step is to subscribe to our channel. So you need to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos which we are uploading on daily basis. So in the last video we have installed Odoo, we have installed PyCharm, and we have configured Odoo with PyCharm so that we can run Odoo system. Okay, this is PyCharm and we have run this Odoo. These are the Odoo logs. Okay, and this is the Odoo screen. So currently you can see Odoo 16 right now. Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about Odoo models. Like, model is the basic thing in Odoo. You need to understand it. Odoo models, Odoo fields, what is it, and then you can start development. Okay, so let me just log out and log in again. Okay, like this, login. Okay, so this is the screen that you can see. Just remove the debug mode, leave the debug mode. Okay, so here you can see this is Odoo 16. So if you go to the sales module and if you go to the products, let me just create a new product, like a simple example, computer. Okay, we have created a product with the name computer. There are currently two choices, so just ignore this for now, and we save it manually. Okay, so this is the product that we have added, and there are some of the parameters, like how it is stored in the database, what are the parameters that it stores the data. So like currently Odoo has the model structure. So behind the model, uh, every model has a record in the Postgres database. Like for example, in this case, this product is stored in our product.template model. So here in the URL, you can see this is the name of the product.template model. And for every record, you can find the model name just in the URL. And if you want to read more, like understand in more detail the other parameters, you just need to activate the debug mode. So for activating the debug mode, you need to click on the settings, and here at the bottom you will see the option to activate the debug mode. So here you can see activate the developer mode. So once you activate the developer mode, you will see other options that you cannot see without activating the debug mode. So if you go to the product, let me search for computer. Okay, so this is the computer. So if you bring the cursor or this help symbol, so here you can see the field name is a name, and the model is product template, type is jar, and context is like empty, and modifier is required to. So these are the extra information that you can get when you activate the debug mode. So developer or debug mode is very important in this case. So every time you do development, you need to activate the developer mode so that you can get these extra information. So for example, I want to understand, I want to get the name of the field. So for example, this is the product type, which is the string name, but I want to know the technical name. So if I bring the cursor here, you will see the help, like the description of the field. A storable product is a product for which you manage stock. So this is something which is like description, and the field technical name is detailed type. Okay, and model name is product.template, type is selection, and all this information you can see. So the same way you can go here and check the detail. So this is how you can find out the detail of any model. So so let me just show you how we can get to this model and check all the fields related to this model. So like every field has a value, every field has a column in uh, the database. So let me just go to settings, and then go to technical, and then you need to scroll down here and click on models. Here you can see, click on models. So here you just need to search for this model like product.template. You can see here. So let me search for product dot template. So this is the model we are looking for. So if we click on it, it will open up, and these are all the like the fields that are available. So total 95 fields are available. So let me just open up all the fields. So account tag ID is active. So there are some of the fields that are not visible in this view because they may be invisible and it may show up on some certain conditions. But there are a couple of fields like you can say category ID, which should be visible here. This is the barcode and this is the category ID. If we bring the cursor here, so you can see field is category ID, which is category ID. So if you click here, you will see further information like this is the category ID, this is the technical name of the field, this is the label like you can see on the view. Here label is a product category, okay, and this is the field type. There are multiple field types like you can see here in the list: binary, boolean, a chart, date, date time. So we will discuss all these types in the upcoming videos. So here you have some base properties like required. So we will discuss these one by one every time, and you have a section for exercise to define the access for this field. So it is like some advanced topic, so we don't want to confuse you here in this video, okay. And these are just some of the basic things, and if you want to see where this field is defined, you can go to the miscellaneous, and here you can see this is the base field and it is defined inside the product module, okay. So I will just show you in the next video the structure of Odoo modules, which are the default modules, and we'll try to show you that how it has been developed, okay. So this is it for this video. These are some of the basic things that you need to keep in mind. Actually, this video is for those who are very new to the Odoo and don't know anything like about the Odoo and Odoo models. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you want to see further videos like this, so please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.